Rice water, an ancient elixir or a hidden risk in your kitchen? Discover the secrets and dangers of this generational home remedy. Like and subscribe to our channel. Each like and subscription helps us bring you more quality health content. Your participation makes the difference. Rice water, a milky liquid obtained from the process of washing or cooking rice, is traditionally valued in various cultures for its beneficial properties. Common in Asia, it is used both in cooking to prepare grains or as a base for soups, and in cosmetics as a treatment for skin and hair, due to its richness in nutrients such as B vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals. Additionally, many attribute rice water with the ability to improve digestion and even provide therapeutic benefits, making it a popular home remedy for various conditions. Traditionally, rice water is revered for its multiple therapeutic and aesthetic qualities. When consumed, it is often considered a gentle solution for digestive issues, being used to relieve diarrhea and nausea due to its astringent properties and high starch content, which can help form a protective layer in the stomach. Moreover, rice water is believed to help regulate body temperature during periods of fever or illness, providing hydration and easily absorbable nutrients. Externally, rice water plays a significant role in many Asian beauty routines, especially in maintaining silky hair and promoting healthy skin. The liquid is applied as a facial toner to cleanse, soothe the skin, and reduce the appearance of pores due to its rich composition of inositol, a carbohydrate that promotes blood circulation and may reduce premature aging. For hair, rinsing with rice water enhances shine and strength, attributed to the antioxidants and minerals that help in regeneration and hair growth. Although simple in composition, rice water contains an interesting variety of nutrients that contribute to its reputed properties. Fundamentally, it is rich in carbohydrates in the form of starch, making it a quick and easily digestible energy source. It also contains traces of B vitamins, essential for energy metabolism and neurological health, and minerals like potassium, crucial for muscle function and fluid balance in the body. Small amounts of antioxidants are also present, which can help combat damage caused by free radicals. However, it is important to note that rice water is not a concentrated source of many nutrients. The amounts of vitamins and minerals depend significantly on the type of rice used and the preparation method. For example, the water resulting from cooking brown rice may contain more nutrients due to the grain's lower processing compared to white rice. The nutritional content can also vary with the volume of water used and the cooking time, where techniques that allow greater release of starch and solubles tend to enrich the liquid more. Thus, while rice water offers certain benefits, it should not be considered a substitute for a nutritionally rich and balanced diet. Excessive consumption of rice water can lead to several undesirable effects, particularly related to metabolic imbalance. One of the main risks is the increase in blood sugar levels, as rice water is rich in starch, a carbohydrate that breaks down into glucose in the body. For individuals with diabetes or a predisposition to hyperglycemia, high consumption can worsen these conditions, making it difficult to control blood sugar levels. Additionally, high intake of simple carbohydrates can contribute to weight gain and increase the risk of developing insulin resistance, a precursor to type 2 diabetes. Another aspect to consider is the potential nutritional imbalance caused by excessive consumption of rice water at the expense of other more nutritious foods. Rice water has a limited amount of vitamins and minerals, and relying too much on it for hydration or health benefits can result in nutritional deficiencies. This is particularly relevant for children and the elderly, whose nutritional needs are specific and critical. Furthermore, since rice water is often consumed when diluted, the risk of ingesting contaminants and bacteria can increase if not prepared or stored correctly, leading to gastrointestinal issues and other health risks. Rice water can influence metabolism and nutrient absorption in several ways, primarily due to its high starch content. When consumed, rice water introduces a significant amount of soluble starch into the digestive system, which is quickly transformed into glucose. This rapid influx of glucose can cause spikes in blood sugar levels, which in turn stimulates an immediate insulin response. While this can provide quick energy, it can also trigger fluctuations in energy levels and negatively affect insulin sensitivity in the long term, especially in people predisposed to insulin resistance or diabetes. Moreover, frequent consumption of rice water can interfere with the absorption of other essential nutrients. For instance, The excessive presence of starch can compete with the absorption of minerals such as zinc and iron, essential for various body functions, including immunity and oxygen transport. This can be particularly concerning in diets that are already marginally deficient in these nutrients. Therefore, while rice water can be beneficial in moderation, relying on it as a primary source of hydration or nutrition can lead to metabolic imbalances and nutritional deficiencies that compromise overall health. Improper preparation and storage of rice water can pose serious health risks due to contamination by pathogens and microorganisms. When rice water is left at room temperature after preparation, it can quickly become a favorable environment for bacterial growth, including pathogens like Salmonella and Escherichia coli. This is especially concerning because the nutritious liquid can support the rapid multiplication of bacteria, which, if consumed, can cause food poisoning and other severe gastrointestinal infections. Therefore, it is crucial that rice water is stored correctly in the refrigerator and consumed within a day to minimize the risk of contamination. Additionally, the method of rice preparation can also influence the quality and safety of rice water. Unwashed or inadequately washed rice can contain pesticides, herbicides, and other chemical contaminants that can leach into the water during cooking. These contaminants can have long-term adverse effects on health, including endocrine problems and an increased risk of chronic diseases. Thus, it is recommended to wash rice well before cooking and use cooking methods that reduce the possibility of such risks, as well as ensure good hygiene practices throughout the preparation and storage process of rice water. The consumption of rice water can significantly influence blood glucose levels, especially in individuals with glucose sensitivity or pre-existing conditions like diabetes. Due to its high starch content, which is rapidly converted into simple sugar during digestion, rice water can cause abrupt spikes in blood sugar levels. These spikes are concerning because they can trigger a cascade of hormonal responses, including the release of large amounts of insulin to regulate blood sugar levels. This cycle of highs and lows in glucose levels can lead to fluctuations in energy and, over time, contribute to the deterioration of the body's ability to effectively manage blood sugar levels, exacerbating or potentially leading to the development of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Furthermore, for individuals already diagnosed with diabetes, frequent consumption of rice water can complicate disease management. Diabetes management requires careful balancing of diet, physical activity, and, when necessary, medication. Incorporating rice water into the diet without considering its glycemic impact can make glycemic control more challenging, making it more difficult to keep glucose levels within a healthy range. Therefore, it is essential that individuals with diabetes or at risk of developing the condition consult health professionals before incorporating rice water into their regular diets, ensuring that its intake does not impair established metabolic control. Given its metabolic impact, certain groups should be particularly cautious with the consumption of rice water. Individuals diagnosed with diabetes or those with a family history or elevated risk of developing the disease should moderate or avoid regular intake of rice water. The high content of readily available carbohydrates can provoke glycemic spikes, complicating blood sugar management. This consideration is essential to avoid the long-term consequences associated with inadequate glycemic control, such as blood vessel and nerve damage, which can lead to severe complications like neuropathy, retinopathy, and cardiovascular disease. Additionally, people with gastrointestinal problems, such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or celiac disease, may also need to avoid rice water. For these individuals, the starch present in rice water can exacerbate symptoms such as bloating, gas, and abdominal discomfort. In people with gluten sensitivity, even though rice is naturally gluten-free, cross-contamination during processing can be a concern. Therefore, it is advisable for these groups to consult health professionals before including rice water in their diets to ensure it does not negatively interfere with their conditions or the treatment of underlying health issues. For those seeking safer and healthier alternatives to rice water, there are several options that can offer similar benefits without the risks associated with high starch content. One such alternative is coconut water, which is naturally rich in electrolytes such as potassium and magnesium and has a low-calorie content. Coconut water helps in effective hydration and can be a beneficial choice for people looking to improve digestion or those needing post-exercise rehydration without the risk of raising blood glucose levels. Another excellent option is herbal tea, such as chamomile or peppermint, known for their calming and digestive properties. These teas can be consumed unsweetened and offer antioxidant benefits in addition to promoting healthy digestion. For those seeking specific benefits for skin or hair, replacing rice water with herbal infusions like rosemary or lavender can be useful. These alternatives not only avoid glycemic spikes, but also add variety and sensory pleasure to personal care routines, making them healthy and practical choices for a balanced life. While rice water is traditionally celebrated for its digestive, skin, and hair benefits, it is crucial to consider the pros and cons of its regular consumption. The nutrients and easy digestibility offer advantages, but the associated risks, such as potential contributions to metabolic imbalances and microbial contamination, should not be ignored. People with conditions like diabetes or gastrointestinal problems should be particularly cautious. Therefore, making informed choices about using rice water in daily routines is essential for overall health.